Hello and welcome to this demo on using Copilot technology. We're going to show you how you can produce summaries of lengthy cases. We're going to show you how you can use this to answer questions and also how you can build replies to emails automatically. The first feature that we're going to have a look at is the case summary feature. Now you can see on this case here that there's numerous emails, there's numerous live chat conversations, and we could read through all of these to get up to speed on the case. Alternatively, we can select this option here to select the case summary. You can then see in there that it summarised the issues that have been happening with the coffee machine. You can see also on there that it details the instructions that have been sent, and it even picks up on the fact that your colleague who's dealing with this is shortly going away on holiday. A further benefit of using Copilot is that we can ask questions. Now we could search through our knowledge base articles here to get some technical information. However, to do that we need to know the titles of the knowledge base articles or the keywords that are associated with them. If we select the Copilot and open up this pane here, we can ask a question, and if that answer is contained within the text of a knowledge base article, it will provide us with the answer. I'm going to type into here, how often should a smart brew be cleaned? We'll then press enter and it will search for answers. You can now see in here that it's given us an answer, saying in here that it has to be at least every month. However, that depends how often it is used. If we now add on to here, please produce the instructions. You can now see that it's given us a step-by-step guide on how this particular coffee machine should be cleaned. And these are some of the ways that we can ask questions of the Copilots. Copilot can also be a time saver with emails. Let's open up an email. We'll then open up the Copilot pane. And then you'll see that you've got some standard emails that can be produced from here. So one of the things that we could do on here is we could select this standard email to request more information. You'll see that it drafts the email for you. And you'll see that it's produced this email here, just requesting some further information. Now, if this is appropriate, we could select copy, we could select start over, and again, it will rephrase the email. If you select copy, like so, you'll see that it adds that directly to your email. A further option with Copilot and email is the facility to be able to resolve a customer's problem. Now, in this case here, if I open up this email on the case about the faulty coffee machine and select this option here where it says resolve the customer's problem, it's now going to look for solutions. And you'll see now that it's typed up some suggested actions. You can select the option here to check sources, and we can see there that's come from knowledge base articles. And then if we're happy to use this, we can just click copy, and you'll now see that it's populated an email with the response. You can now see some of the benefits of using Copilot versus using a third-party AI tool and copying and pasting the information in and out of your system. Further benefits of doing this is that it's actually more secure than taking your data, pasting it into a third-party AI tool. The reason being is that Microsoft don't use your data to train its model. It takes a pre-trained model and then applies it to your business context in here. For further information on that, we've included below Microsoft's privacy policy. Thank you for listening, and we hope you found this demonstration useful.